So we're going to start putting everything back. I'm going to start with the speakers. Start with this. I'm going to fit the second speaker. Just gonna put this in place. Just goes underneath here. Stick this under there. I'm gonna start that one, fixing the logic board. I'm gonna get the SD card and the SD card HDMI and USB, the over USB 3. I'm gonna fit that in. Goes to this side. Now we're going to fit the motherboard, the logic board, in all four times. Be careful not to cover any lead. There should be 8 leads in total, including the battery lead, so if you're missing one, you should know it's stuck underneath the motherboard and the logic board. I'm just going to pull that out. Going to put the MagSafe in place. That's your MagSafe. Didn't want to disconnect it from the logic board because there's no point of it. That's it right there. In case it's got any problems, you're gonna have to disconnect this and fit in the new MagSafe port. I'm gonna slide that in first, and just gonna be careful with these leads. That's one over there, one over here as well, and now the speaker. I suggest screw down the MagSafe first to make things easier. That's in. So now we're going to try and put the motherboard in. Keep in mind that 8 leads, make sure they're not buried underneath, else there's going to be a problem. A few things won't work or it wouldn't even start up, you know, so you should know someone's probably buried. Yeah, so we're gonna count it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're good to go. In place properly. I'm gonna count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good to go. Yep. Just make sure that sits properly. I'm gonna start filling in this leads. So we're gonna count, right? That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, 5, 6, and 7, excluding the chargers, cable, lead. So that's good for now. We're gonna start fitting some screws. Speaking now. So our motherboard is right intact. Solid state drive. Put it back in place. And our airport card. Put that in place. Yeah. Just put it on the phone now. Now we've got our screen. Gonna slide that in. Slide it backwards. That's it. Now we're gonna start by fitting the screws, which I don't know where it is. I got the screws for the screen. Get a T8 screwdriver. Gonna fit in, well, some magnet there. Yeah, gonna fit this in. Right, I prefer to put one in on the other side as well, just to keep it firm. So before I put the rest of the two, I'm gonna fit one here so it makes it even. I'm gonna fit one on this side. Yeah. Now we're going to fit the rest of the screws. fix the antenna cable, which is for the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the webcam cable. Oh my god, forgot something very important. This bit here goes underneath the screws. We need to sort that out. Just going to take them off. I'm gonna have to put this in, clip it in here so it stays out of the way. This goes underneath over here. Now the webcam cable. And we're gonna fix the antenna cable. You're gonna have to figure this out according to length. So the shortest cable goes to the closest, and so on and so forth. Longest goes to the farthest. Now we're going to plug the display cable. Finally, we're going to plug in the battery. I'm just going to turn it on and see if everything's okay before we put on the back cover. Seems fine. Check if the fan works. The fans. Seems fine. So quiet now. We're going to pop the back cover on. Finally, our pin of 1.2. Macbook Pro is good to go. Yeah.